Hello! I want to show you some of my old projects so I can stow them away and exist in peace. Here is my sim racing handbrake. Here is a thing for holding soldering irons. Here is a planetary thing. Here is a heater. Here is a controller thing. Here is a... No, hide it away. This is actually decent. Maybe we save this for a different video. And inside of... no. Different video. Anyway. This is the most boring one of them. This is a case of youthful optimism, thinking your 3D printer can do anything. For example, a 2-stage planetary gearbox with its own integrated bearings. It can't. It doesn't. It breaks teeth. Forget about it. Stupid idea. You're never gonna mount this on your bike. Buy something instead. Bad idea. Second one, actually, relatively decent idea. Inside of this hole into which you can't see is a bunch of heater coil bent wire, which you plug into the big wires. And then the little wires are to run a motor, which is operating a bit of can, which has been cut into a circle and then cut and then bent. And now it is cosplaying as a turbine and actually works. Yeah, I know, shocking, right? So this is made from a butane can, and each time it has a bit of a lovely rattle. Anyway, this actually works. So heat gun, vaporizer, I don't know, project. Harder to explain, wait a minute. Handbrake, nifty idea. I got into flexures. You can see this is supposed to clamp on a table, and you can move this forward and back. And when you do, it moves, you see, gear to gear. And the little gear, that's a potentiometer, and that goes to an Arduino. So yeah, this is how you start your sim racing career. The nifty idea was everything is printed, and like the spring, which is now broken, you can put into multiple positions. So that's adjustable, and the blue bit is a sort of end stop. So you can also adjust from where to where your handbrake goes. Yeah, everything 3D printed, everything cheap. Everything not so great. That's optimism, youthful optimism. And finally, probably the one that I actually use the most, holder for this Chinese soldering tip holder, intended to use this TS100. So, oh dear. Yeah, put it in there. That's your stand. That used to be on my table for a couple of years. Clean the tip. If you have spare tips, that's what that is for. If for some inexplicable reason you need to mount this here, don't ask. I don't know why I put that there, but it exists. So yeah, TS100, and actually probably the coolest feature, integrated spool holder, which also sort of acts as a weight, and when you inevitably pull out too much material, you can, and it's gravity to operate. It's not the most one-handed tool on the market, but yeah, you can turn this and rewind your solder spool. So there you go. Now you've seen stupid things I've done over the years, so now I can throw them away and not feel like I wasted my time. Thank you. Oh no, I can't, because I realized I forgot to show you this one. Here, simple idea. PCB, always the same. 4 little crappy buttons, clicky, 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 click. This always stays the same. However, what you can do is you can replace the top cover. So for example, if you want buttons, put this top cover on there and something that fits those buttons, and then you can have the button controller. Or if you want, you can yeah, so example of the buttons. In the exact same configuration, you can also fit something which my coworker has kindly broken, which was this. So this also fits there. So you can have a sort of D-pad sort of thing, and yeah, all of them similar sort of idea. You have little bits of plastic. I just broke something. Yeah, you have little bits of plastic attached to this, which are a lot stronger if you actually constrain them in a way so the users can't break them. But oh well, alas. Yeah, this one was the one that was for this. So, you know, Same bottom, same everything, but your buttons, they can become a D-pad, what's it called, arrow pointy directional thing, just in individual, same mechanics in there. But yeah, same PCB, different attachments. You can either have buttons or buttons or buttons or that's gone, or buttons or a D-pad or a slightly better D-pad or even a direction pad, or yeah, that's not a part of it. Now you've seen it all. Thank you. Bye bye.